suspension is in. So now it's time to start running line and electrical. But before I do that, I need to do I'm gonna set up the trunk first. Picking up some supplies to work on my air ride. Picked up 2 cans of paint. This is incredible stuff. So I'm gonna use this to paint my air tank. And I've settled on this color for the floor for the air ride. All right, so step 1 is we're gonna knock down the shine with a scuffing pad with alcohol before we give her a coat of paint there. There we go. It's all done. Nice and clean, and it has like that satin sheen that I wanted. Tap a little bit bigger hole there and here. Actually, that's the outline I have to basically draw. That's the basic shape. So we'll be cutting this out. The beauty is that you don't have to handle the whole panel, so we'll be separating it and then cutting it out. But yeah, this is gonna have to be the setup that I run with. You see, it gives me enough turn here for the for this intake. I might even have to move the tent either a little further that way or bring it out a little bit more. Get the hole done. Let's go ahead and put the rest of the fake floor on and do the same thing there. A little bit of line just to make sure that this was enough space. And as you can see, I could fit 5 lines total because I do have to do my drain as well. So stay tuned. So there's 2 ports now. So the one to the left is for the lines and the one to the right is for the exhaust and the water. This is my power source here because this is where the battery is. So what I'm gonna do is create my own fuse. I'm gonna tap into a line here that's accessory. So when you turn the key on, it'll provide 12-volt power so that it acts as the trigger or wakes the system up. I've already put the connectors on here on the main power. So we're just working through all of this now. All right, stay tuned. Reached the point where I'm assembling all of the different valves. I mean, to be honest with you, Airlift does a phenomenal job with this diagram. So if you've done it right up to this point, we have a 1/4 plug here, 3/8 to 1/4 swivel, 1/4 swivel in the bottom, 3/8 plug over here. Right, so I think I'm at the point now where I have to reassemble everything. All the powers ran, everything, adapters, USB, you name it, everything's been ran. So I'm gonna try to take this here and see if I can fish it through all the way to the other side. So wish me luck. So I was able to sneak it in through there. So got plenty of slack here and between the two. So I just got to figure out how to finish running that up so that it's the best path. And all the lines ran, connected here, routed. So now we're starting to hook it up to the manifold next. Make sure you label all of them. As you can see, right rear, I'm pulling off the tape as I go. This is front right, and you gotta clip them. Press it on. So I'll go ahead and let it get air in the tank, and then I guess we can then go through the motions of calibrating it. So everything is hooked up. Floor's in. As you can see, the compressor. I wanted to do something more fancy, but I wanted to at least keep a little bit of trunk space for myself. I mean, it's not a lot, but I could throw a little tool bag or a rescue kit